into this plan of child education plan. So I will train you how to build up the child education plan and how should be our calculation based on the client's age, based on the client's risk taking ability, and how much risk he can take. Now for this, I have taken some assumptions. Now let us assume there is a client who is 40 years of age. His kids is 2 years, and current expense I have taken for education. Education is around 10 lakhs. So currently, if you see education inflation is 15%. This is my assumption. And let us assume according to us, client's risk appetite is 100 minus your age. So his age is 40. So 100 minus 40 is 60%. So according to me, he can take 60% of the risk. And 60% of the risk, he can start investing into equity and equity related instruments. For example, mutual funds, equities, and etc. etc. There are a lot of equity instruments. And rest 40% of his funds should be always safe, which should always beat the FDs. He should always beat the inflation. And that 40% of the fund, he shouldn't be tense that market today goes zero also. My 40% of the funds are secured. So this is what I believe. So I always insist through your age, whatever is your age. So just minus subtract that from 100. So 100 minus your age is what you should take risk, and rest of the money should be safe and secured. But this should beat inflation. This should beat your FDs, and this should be safe so that you don't have headache. Now coming to the child education plan, how to build up. So if you go, I have given the link fncalculator.com. If you just go there, this is a financial calculator. Financial calculator where there are different options. PV. PV, as the name suggests, is the present value. So let us assume today's present value is 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs. And now since the kid is 2 years, to come to the graduation, it will take for him another 16 years under graduation program. So 18 months to 16 years. So we need to build up this tax corpus. This is the current cost of his education. So another 16 years are left to build up this corpus. Now, currently education inflation is 15%, is what we assume. So it differs from different countries and all. So currently we are assuming at 15%. Of course, it is on the higher side, but let us take a decent inflation of 15%. Okay, and we have to compound that annually. So if you see, put it in the calculator, the future value is around 94 lakhs. Of this 10 lakhs. Now, once you know the economic value of your goal, so this 10 lakhs becomes around 94 lakhs. 94 lakhs 16 years down the line. So you start building towards the goal. And according to your risk appetite, 60% you should start investing into equity related instruments and 40% into debt. Now, if you see 60% of this 93.75 lakhs, which is around 56.25 lakhs, you can start accumulating into equity instrument. Now, if you see equity instruments will give you around 12% return. So 12% return is around 56.25 lakhs. So 12% return, if you get, so per month you will have to invest around 9,657 rupees per month in order to accumulate around 57 lakhs, 56.25 lakhs. Now rest 40%. 40% of the corpus you grow in debt. So which is around 37.50 lakhs. Okay. Now on debt we consider as a return of 7%. If you get 7%, so we have around 192 months. So let us assume you invest at 7%, how much you need to build up a corpus of 37.5 lakhs. So which comes to around 10,645 rupees per month. So this is what is required in order to build the child goals.